नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 60 और जो मेरा टारगेट है उसके लिए डे रिमेनिंग ओनली 309। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी माय टुडे शेड्यूल, व्हाट आई विल डू टुडे टू अचीव माय दिस target. But before that we have to see my yesterday's test report. Friend, my yesterday's report was like this. As you can see in the image, off track study. It went off track due to some reasons which are avoidable reasons, है ना, which are avoidable. So I should take care about this, and from next time I should not repeat this type of mistake again, because it will be very harmful. So yesterday was 21st of this, you can see 21st of July, and there were many things which were missing yesterday, which I didn't achieve. This I did only this thing, technique learning. After that I was busy in shifting my study room, as I said in my previous video that I am not able to study due to environment. Okay, so I was not able to do these things, but it was avoidable. It was task of only, you can say, 3 to 4 hours, but I took whole day. I don't know, it may be due to Parkinson's law. Okay, leave it. Let us see what will be my today's schedule. So as today is Saturday, so I will repeat the whole things of yesterday. So in terms of schedule, not in terms of activity. Like for example, 9 to 10 I will do techniques learning, and from rest of the day I will do GS for half of this topic, public service values and ethics in public administration. Public service values and ethics in public administration, I will do half of this topic of GS4. And from 6 to 8 I will do retrieval 2 of my this week. Whatever I have studied during this week I will do, that's a retrieval. And from 11 to 2 I will do COB, marginal gain and research and development. So this is my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve 100% of it, and tomorrow definitely give some positive result. If you like the video, then please subscribe it. Thank you.